Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara Altitude in bright white with LED reflector headlamps, LED fog lamps, 18-inch off-road wheels, body color 3-piece hardtop, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 40,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seat, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10823A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.